This is a pretty easy code challenge for white. White's ice base is pretty small and the ice shape is very broken. So the only way to make a code is right here. And black will Atari here, and number 3 will make this code. Number 4 captures first. White does not seem to have any local code threat, and thus must find a code elsewhere. If black wins, black will just capture. If white captures back, then it's a 2-step code for white, because white cannot just connect here, because black can still kill white this way. White must continue to capture, and until it secures number 9, it can win. If white does not play at number 1, if it plays here, then black can come into the ice base very easily, and white will fail. If it plays something like this, then black will just capture this stone, and white will still die. So finding the first move will not be too difficult. Of course, black can try some other moves. It'll be something like this, but it doesn't matter. In the end, black can still play this code, because if white tries to kill black, black can make a living shape this way. So white will still fail. It'll be something like this. So that's why white must still play through this code. Overall, this is a pretty easy problem. If you've done enough of these problems in this playlist, you know that number 1 is the only way to make a code. Hope this helps, and I'll see you in the next challenge. Thank you for watching.